Email marketing has evolved. No longer is it just about writing clever subject lines or neat copy. Now it's about understanding your audience on a deeper level, predicting what they need before they even ask for it, and delivering messages that truly resonate. With our courses in AI for email marketing specialists, you learn how to use artificial intelligence to transform your approach. Imagine each email crafted with precise data and insights, making every message feel personal and timely. This is about more than relying on instincts. It's about making informed decisions that stack the odds in your favor. By integrating AI into your campaigns, you free up valuable time normally spent on tedious tasks like segmentation and analysis. Instead, you can focus on creative strategy and innovative campaign ideas. The course is continuously updated with the latest breakthroughs and tools that keep you ahead of the curve. Imagine mastering techniques that combine predictive analytics with automated content creation, making you an indispensable asset in any marketing team. Most of our courses include certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities. This isn't about letting technology replace you. It's about empowering you to harness its full potential. When your skills match the pace of change, you become the person every team needs. Ready to redefine the way you do email marketing? Discover all the AI for email marketing specialists training courses on CompleteAItraining.com and start transforming your career today.